Magic Monk, Eddie the Magic Monk.
Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk here. So, as you guys know, Galaxy S10e comes with a facial recognition feature. But up until now, I've just been using my finger to unlock my phone. It works pretty well. But I just want to see what the facial recognition feature is like. So let's give that a try. So if I go into settings, and then I go into lock screen, and lock screen type, and it says face. So let's enable that. Facial recognition, convenient way to unlock your phone. Less secure. Who looks like you, uses an image of your face. So these are all pretty dangerous. Are you wearing glasses? Yeah. Registering your face. Take off your glasses to continue. When you unlock with face recognition, stay on the lock screen until you swipe. Turn this off to go directly to the last screen you were using. So I want to be able to go to the last screen I was using. Okay, faster recognition, improved speed, reduces security. Now, okay. All right, so let's try it. So turn it off. I'm going to put this in front of my face. Okay, yes, it does unlock. But since my finger was already, I'll try to use a finger that wasn't registered. Yes, so as soon as it sees your face, it unlocks. Okay, so turn it off. So the only fingers I've registered are these two fingers. So if I use my other hand, yep, it unlocks. All right, so that's facial unlock. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.